in St. John in 2011. Junior hockey's top prize in Canada.
Florida has won 2 in a row. Cam Ward, no problem. That shot taken by Jonathan Huberdeau.
An NHL backup who hasn't played a lot, in my opinion.
They were injured in the same game as it kicks off the skate of Elias Lindholm and goes wide, and we'll discuss that as the night progresses. Jordan Staal, centering pass. Eric is there. Shut down by Dan Ellis.
Best early chance for his team.
Jordan Staal moving it by Nick Bjugstad. Elias Lindholm over the line, coming late. Mikhail Jordan. His shot. Good stop by Ellis. Big collision. And Ellis appears to be okay. Brad Boyes the other way. Cam Ward says no. Back along the boards, holding onto it. Jimmy Hayes with a shot. Stopped by Ward. Through traffic. Brian Campbell forces the play. Moves it up quickly. Along the boards now. Brandon Peary is there. 73 in the white. Played here by Jimmy Hayes, having a nice season. Out in front, Trocheck. Denied by Ward. Cleaned up by Rissanen. And Carol Falk tries to clear, not out. Mitchell, Boland holding, shooting one, blocked. And a good block it was by Ron Hainsey. Nathan Gerbe starts his engine. He starts tonight on the 4th line. Gerbe holding onto it, moving up on Goodbranson. To the outside, his shot. Spat out by Dan Ellis, played by Willie Mitchell. A turnover. Gerbe's shot denied. Danfer now ahead, broken up by Lindholm. It ricochets around. Barkov dropped it off, stolen by Eric Staal. Carolina D-to-D, Falk in possession. Now Eric. Eric in the zone, a shot swallowed by Dan Ellis. 1-3-1 in their last 5. Riley Nash with a shot blocker down. Rebound, Ellis got a piece of it. Jeff Skinner on the doorstep. Moved along by Lyles for Riley Nash. Off the paddle of Ellis. To the outside, Semin. Alex Semin holding onto it out in front, off a stick wide off. Barkov, Skinner off the goalpost. Easy. Now Lindholm. Elias Lindholm. Through center ice, Jordan Staal, defended by Kulikov. Danfer tries to clear, not out. Jordan a shot. Stopped by Ellis. Second chance he does, and Jordan Staal with the empty portion up top. Sends it high. Staal. Ron Hainsey. Eric Staal out in front. Chipped right on. Good stop by Ellis. Off the stick of Elias Lindholm. Brad Boyes for Florida. Moves it across. Willie Mitchell in the zone. Easily detected by Cam Ward and no further play. Carolina has only killed off 6 out of 11. That's uncharacteristic in the last 5 through center ice. Knocked down by Hainsey. Gained by Jokinen. Here's Boyes. A shot. What a save. Cam Ward outstanding. Long for Boland. In on Ward, who leaves it on a tee for Victor Rask. Rask in the skates of Nestrashil, who sends it this way for Mikhail Jordan. Jordan over the line, looks around. Right on the target, no problem for Dan Ellis. They move forward. Eric Staal back for Falk. One-timer taken, rejected by Ellis. The shot by Nestrashil. Back it goes for Rask. They work it around to Falk. Andre Nestrashil will settle it down. A saucer pass for Falk. His shot denied by Ellis. Bared on defense with Dmitry Kulikov, who has the puck. Kulikov over the line, goes wide, holds onto it, lays it back for David Boland. It was off a stick, it went off Alexander Semin. Yager, Boland, in front, shut down by Cam Ward, and he cleans up the rebound.
His hands, what a pass.
Nathan Gerbe moving up. The late man is Alexander Semin, defended on the back check by 43-year-old Jaromir Jagr. David Boland, Jagr in control, he'll cut. Right out in front, denied. Cam Ward, a fine save on Willie Mitchell. Out of the corner now, Justin Falk turned it over. Jagr again, one-timer. Ward says no. Off Willie Mitchell. You're looking at John Michael Lyles. He'll lay it across for Brad Malone. Inside for Jordan Staal, who let it go. He did that for Jeff Skinner, and now Justin Falk again. Gathered in by Jordan. Jordan Staal moves in for a shot. Fought off by Dan Ellis. Here by Victor Rask. Inside for Lindholm. Lindholm given a shove by Goodbranson. Elias Lindholm attempting to get back up. Now it's played here by Victor Rask. Rask in control. Poked off his stick. Mikhail Jordan goes wide. Fought off by Ellis. Through traffic out in front. Lindholm. He's forechecked aggressively by Jeff Skinner. Played by Jagr, back out to center ice. Florida in control as we see. Kulikov on the rush, walks in. Good play by Nestrashil on him. And that allowed Cam Ward a chance to melt it down. It's played by McClement, it pops out. Loose puck for the taking, and here comes Nathan Gerbe. Rejected beautifully by Aaron Ekblad. The Cats back the other way. They go wide. Shot taken, stopped by Cam Ward off the stick of Vincent Trocheck.
Goes on the attack.
In control now, Mikhail Jordan. Nathan Gerbe shot swallowed by Dan Ellis.
if you're going to stay in this league, and that's one of the things Belmore has to do.
Rissanen hands it off. Along the wall it goes deep. That was Alexander Semin. It's broken up by Brandon Peary. Semin got a stick to it. Trocheck in the zone with a shot swallowed by Cam Ward. McClement is there for the Hurricanes. Now Nathan Gerby in support. Jay McClement in back of the goal, holding on to it. To the outside and back to the point, Rissanen. Lyles a one-timer, blocked, it's loose. Ellis says no. Still fought for and blown dead.
A little frustrated because, boy, he wanted that in a scoreless game. Just off his tape.
Here's Peary over the line. Hayes, Brandon Peary, he scores! What a goal! Brandon Peary on his backhand goes top shelf. Power play goal. Florida breaks the ice.
Remember we said earlier that Peary, on a power play chance he had in the first period, is the most confident shooter that Florida has right now. And he was given too much time and space in the neutral zone, gets the puck to the outside to Hayes. Hayes gets it back to him, and from an impossible angle. Now,
the place, final game of a 5-game homestand. Carolina, brief stop on the road tomorrow. 4:30, Hurricanes live, Canes in Columbus. They cross the line. Eric Stahl with a shot rejected by Dan Ellis. Ekblad getting it from Bolin, on and off the stick of Yager, feathered out by Jordan Stahl. Aaron Ekblad is back on it. The Panthers will play in Madison Square Garden tomorrow night against the Rangers. Nathan Gerby leaves it there. John Michael Lyles in the zone out in front. Ellis scoops it up, a short hopper. Here come the Canes out to center. Hendrick pass, Rissanen for Eric Stahl, tied up by Upshaw. Jordan along the boards now, met there by Dave Bolin. Ekblad, ahead it goes, Jussi Jokinen, a handoff, it's Campbell. Brian Campbell, the late guy, Upshaw, caught by Cam Ward.
Trailing him by just 9 points.
Should he score a goal tonight, as we said earlier, he breaks a 5th place tie with Phil Esposito for career goals. Now it's knocked down along the boards. Nathan Gerby winds it up. Ron Hainsey for the Hurricanes goes deep. Eric Stahl. Jordan on the doorstep. Eric again. Off Ellis. Alexander Barkov through the middle, intended for Yager, broken up. Andre Nestrashil in his own zone. Feathers a pass. That's read here and held in by Barkov. Yager from the corner. Lays it in back of the goal. Gets it from Huberdeau. Shut down by Ward. Stahl brothers. Eric from the corner. Skate to stick. Falk. Held in nicely by Eric Stahl, brought out by Brandon Peary. Justin Falk saucers a pass for Jordan Stahl, rubbed out by Eric Gudbranson. We'll move it away from David Bolin. He'll cut away from McKenzie. Pressure by Florida's Kulikov. Along the boards, dug out by Dave Bolin. Now Stephen Kampfer in on Ward. We'll put it on a tee and leave it there for John Michael Lyles. Rissanen, they get after it. Here's Trocheck for Florida. Punished by Rissanen. As you see it up close. Along the boards and back to the point. Kampfer. Wide of Ward. Top of your screen. Good golf chance that time. The Hurricanes pop it out. Here's Skinner in control. His shot off the blocker of Dan Ellis. For Jordan Stahl. A chance. Off the goal post again. The heavy metal. The other side. Chris Terry. Through center. The Panthers get it deep.
That is his most comfortable scoring spot. 9 out of 10 times he scores there.
Here comes Eric Stahl. He has Gerby out in front. He'll button hook. Lay it back. Jordan delays. Holds it. The pass ricochets off Jordan. Jordan Stahl. Ticked out by Ellis. His pass broken up by Gudbranson. Nathan Gerby drops it off. Gudbranson checked by Eric Stahl. In support, it's Jordan. Jordan Stahl turns away from Willie Mitchell. Eric's side of the goal. Here it comes. Stopped by Ellis. Getting to it is Jussi Jokinen. Carolina down by 1. Jordan Stahl, the empty net situation. McKenzie, what a play by Falk. And McKenzie wipes it wide. 8 seconds left in this third period. Through center ice, Falk gets to it. Greeted. Here's David Bolin. A backhander, that'll do it. 39 and a fraction left in this third period. Dave Bolin into an empty net. 2-0 Florida.
Boy, this has been a good hockey game. McKenzie with the pressure, and then the support eventually from Bolin with a nice little Nice job.
Seconds on the clock. It will be a shutout and a fine performance for the former Carolina Hurricane, Dan Ellis in goal.